On March 27, 2025, MLB.tv faced significant streaming outages during opening day, frustrating fans eager to watch live games. Many users reported error messages on social media, prompting MLB to acknowledge the issue, which lasted over an hour. Their fan support team addressed concerns on X, formerly Twitter, apologizing and ensuring a quick fix. Despite the disruption, key games like Brewers vs. Yankees and Tigers vs. Dodgers aired nationally on ESPN. Meanwhile, MLB announced a new direct-to-consumer streaming initiative for 5 teams, aiming to reduce local blackouts. This incident highlights the challenges of sports streaming, especially during peak demand. While MLB resolved the issue, reliability remains crucial for fan